Our author, si Miss Tina, how do you ensure that the film adaptation will remain faithful to its core? And what were your contributions in making sure that your story will be done justice?
Thankful po ako sa ABS-CBN kasi talagang nag-brainstorm kami with the team and inasila ko ng mga favorite scenes, important scenes na dapat nasa movie. So, kasi before, meron din akong mga nagawa, hindi nila ako sinama.
Oh!
Yung mga before. Pero ngayon, ayun, kaya thankful ako sa ABS kasi talagang in-involve nila ako dito and si Direk din nagtatanong. Actually, binasa ni Direk yung book yung whole book para lang nandito sa movie. So, yan, kaya thankful po ako.
May mga binago ba kayo direct doon sa sinulat ni Miss Tina that you had to adjust?
It's more of compressing. Pero we tried to keep all the important scenes. Kaya tinatanong namin ano yung mga iconic scenes na gusto mong ano. Kasi sa book may mga ganun eh. May yung mga fans meron silang mga favorite na scenes, dialogue, situations. So yun yung nasa ano, yun yung nandoon sa pelikula.
Kasi yun yung minahal nila nung binasa nila eh. And sometimes the limitation is when you're writing a story, it's limitless. You're not thinking of production costs or, you know, yung parang set design. So, challenge talaga, Direct Benedict, di ba? If you're executing it from...
Pero, in fairness, yung malalaking eksena yung ginagawa namin lahat ng malalaking eksena na nandun sa book. Kaya happy naman kami.
Totoo bang sinut nyo to last October pa? October of last year? September yata. Ang tagal na. Tumanda na lahat. Baka mas bata kayo dun sa ano. Si Don ang next na magtatanong to be followed by Naz. So we go to Don first.
Okay, magandang hapon.
Gabi na po.
Ay, gabi na pala. Sundin ko na lang yung title. Para sa For Bad Boys, pwede makishare naman at least kung anong pinaka-fat thing na nagawa niya.
To who?
Sila apat. I mean, bahala sila kung anong gusto nilang i-share.
The baddest thing you've done.
Yes.
Kahit kanina nyo ginawa. Who wants to go first? Parang si Dusty.
Yung pwede na i-share na hindi kami masyashock.
Legally. Legally po kasi, joke lang. Baddest thing?
For Love nga ito, may bumubulong dito sa table na to.
For Love.
Itago natin sa pangalang Bobby Requintina.
Ayan, si Bobby na nag-follow up ng For Love.
For Love daw, the baddest thing you've done for love.
Done for love? Siguro... disobeying parents just to see my girlfriend. Maybe. I think. For love. If that's for love, then yeah.
Just may mga side comment dito sa table na to. Sa POV daw ng parents, bad yun.
Pero sa POV mo raw.
It's love.
Yes.
Oh, diba?
And like this is, you know, I think.
And it's relatable.
Yeah,
It's not
I
just
think I'm sure like everyone here is sort of done that one way.
River, ikaw meron ka namang ginawa.
Ikaw,
Baddest thing.
parang ikaw.
Baddest thing for love.
Ano ba? Nagawa na ba ako?
Tanong natin sa...
Baddest thing for love. Siguro hardest thing or not baddest thing naman. Siguro
Okay, sige.
siguro the whole PBB journey. Siguro that that was a sacrifice rin for me to be able to go inside the house for 4 months. No communication, walang...
Hindi nabigyan ng chance, tinuro ko rin. Hindi nabigyan ng chance na kausapin ka while you're inside the house.
Wala talaga.
Wala. Oh my
For 4
God.
months.
That's painful.
Yeah, pero nagpaalam ka ba?
Siyempre naman, we
so...
talked before. And...
Saan yung ginawa mo? Nag-dated ka to send flowers?
Yes, kasi monthly namin yung every 12th of the month. So that was my only way of communicating to her. And I sent, there's an app kasi sa phone na you can send future messages. So habang nasa outside world pa ako, I sent future messages to her para makuha niya while I'm inside.
Uy, Sangi, anong app yan?
Co-star
Yung baddest ang question pero ang good pa rin ang answer.
So siguro that was, I mean, not the baddest, but then the hardest.
The hardest.
And not just me naman, pero it took two sides rin for that to happen. So, blessed rin.
Any reaction? Ayan. Any reaction sa sinabi
Wala
na?
daw.
Wala naman.
O yung iba, the
Ayan.
baddest thing you've done for love. Jello.
Ako sobrang usual lang nito. I feel like lahat kami na-experience. So, kumbaga yung kakayanin mong mag-take ng risk na at the same time sa sobrang busy, like masasacrifice mo talaga yung pahinga mo, yung mga iba't ibang mga schedules, pero nakakayanan pa rin iparamdam kung ano yung dapat po.
Not naman tumakas ng work. Para...
Hindi naman po. Pag may mga level.
Dustin.
Ikaw wala pa siyang...
All for love po. Wala pa po kasi akong experience kaya ngayon nahihirapan po akong sumagot. Nag-iisip po ako talaga kung ano yung baddest thing. Ayun po, wala po. Wala po.
It's
si
okay.
Brent, si Brent na rin.
Ako siguro, ano ba, baddest? Parang same din with Harvin, Jelen, na parang sometimes you forget to prioritize yourself just so you could put this person first. Parang ganun, parang nakakalimutan mo or minsan nauubos ka na para lang mapuno mo yung pagmamahal na meron ka para sa tao.
Kung ganun nauubos ka na, diba? Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Dodon. Salamat. Naz, you're next.
Hello po. Ang follow-up kay Christina sa question kanina, ano po yung reaction nyo naman sa casting ng For Bad Boys?
Ako po, happy ako kasi kasama po ako dun sa audition. So, nakita ko rin yung acting nila. Tapos kasi merong parang mga scene na pinag-preparing. So, ako rin po kinikilig. So, yun po. I'm proud of them. And I'm praying na marami pa silang maging project. Kasi ang fresh ng mga faces, ang ganda ng mukha. Ayun. So, hoping ako na marami pa silang maging project after this.
Kay Angie naman, ito na kasi parang pinaka-malaki ng project mo. Kasi din. So, ano yung, can you take us back nung nalaman mo na ikaw yung nasa project? Anong reaction mo?
First of all, never kong in-expect kasi ang daming pinagawa sa akin. Pinasendan pa ako nila ng video. May pinagawa sa akin, oh, gawin mo tong scene na to, mag-video ka, send mo sa amin. And then pinapunta ako saan pa ngayon, sa DTC na, na building. So, 3 beses kami nag-audition. First of all, who would have thought, tapos, di ko talaga in-expect na mapunta to sa akin. And ang bait talaga ni Lord. At saka, doon ko talaga na-realize din na dapat maniwala tayo sa perfect timing. Like, everything happens for a reason. If it's meant for you, it's meant for you. It will not pass you, and it will not pass your timeline. Because it's yours. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Ay, Naz, ang tipid. Okay, thank you, Naz. Maraming salamat. We go now to Janrel Cedro of Kapamilya On Demand. Janrel, are you here? Janrel? Ayun sa kabila. Excuse me? Ikaw na, dito ka na. Sayang yung skirt mo. You forgot your question? Sige, ako na lang. Okay. This is for Angie. Bilang si Candice, ano ang pinakagusto mo sa kanya character at ano ang pinakamahirap na parte sa pagganap sa kanya?
Sa akin, ang pinakagusto kong character or characteristic ni Candice. Sorry, nabubulol ako. Ang pinakagusto kong characteristic sa kanya is hindi siya takot magmahal. Kasi kahit na, alam mo, parang pinuksa na siya ng lahat. Parang everybody despise her, everybody like bullies her. She's not afraid to give love to everyone. That's why I love this characteristic sa kanya. Tsaka yung pinakamahirap siguro ay, syempre, as a learning in progress, mahirap talaga sa akin yung acting kasi this is not my talent. And like, kaya nga sabi ni Direk Benny, thank you kay Direk kasi pina-assignment niya talaga sa amin talaga na, oh, ikaw binubuli ka, low yung confidence mo, dapat ganito ka, ganyan. So it helps, parang na-embody mo din yung yung pagiging na, parang, ang sakit na, ba't ganyan yung trato sa akin ng mga tao? Wala naman akong ginawang masama. And I just wanted to share love. Tapos parang, kaya doon ako na, parang na-attach din ako kay Candace. Tsaka, when I talk about her, I get emotional. I don't know why. Because she's just full of love. And I know if tutong tao si Candace, thank you to Miss Tina for writing her because she's such an inspiration sa amin. Especially nung grade 9 ako kasi that's when I started reading The 4 Bad Boys in Me. It's just, it just show na parang, wow, how beautiful the world will be if we look at each other eye to eye where there is compassion. So, ayun. Kaya ko, love na love ko si Candace.
I wanted to clarify here because yung sinishare mo now, Angie, is it coming from a personal experience that you were bullied before?
I mean, I got bullied, yes. Even now online, like, I would talk about it. Even now online, like, it's there and it's real. And the book, it shows na dapat nag-show tayo ng compassion sa lahat. Dapat nag-show tayo ng love sa lahat. Kasi hindi lahat deserve yung hate. And everybody deserves to be loved, deserves to be respected, and bullying is a no. So, to all of the bullies out there, I hope that you would find love. Kasi deserve mo din yun. And, I think the bullies need love the most. Because if wala yun, parang I've been there, pero nakakapagod kasi mag-hate. Baka ma-drain kayo. So, I pray to God that He will, bless you with love, with kindness in your heart, and whatever is missing, He will bless it to you. So, ayun.
Alright, thanks, Angie. Ang next question ni General is for the boys. Sa inyong character bilang isa sa mga bad boys, ano ang pinaka nagustuhan nyo sa ugali niya at ano naman ang gusto nyong baguhin? What did you like about your character, Charles?
What I liked about Charles is his protectiveness over si Candace and his friends. He stands up for anyone that tries to bully them or mess with them. At yung yung gusto kong baguhin siguro kay Charles ay yung palaaway kasi si Charles. So siguro I tell him to tone down and there's no need to fight all the time.
Si Marky.
With Marky naman po, siguro not really something na sorry, what is the question? Something na I like about the character? Is that the question po? Gusto kong baguhin. Oh, siguro siguro just make him a little bit more bad boy. I think kasi yung pagka-bad boy ni Marky dito in this adaptation specifically is he's in a bit manipulative. He, like I said, gambler siya. He likes to play with fate. And there's so many moments in this film. Siguro kaya siya bad boy. He's a bad boy in that way na even though intentional or not, he ends up manipulating a situation to something that he wants it to turn into. Siguro what I would change is siguro dial down on the medyo cunning, scarily manipulative side and more mas Troy, na mas physically, na makulit talaga na annoying halos siguro po. I'd make him more of a lightning in a bottle type of character maybe.
Troy.
Ayun, sa akin po, actually, I love Troy Mendoza. Kasi, sobrang minahal ko yung character na yun kasi doon ko na-feel yung sarili ko.
Okay. Parang nakita mo yung sarili mo sa kanya.
Doon ko po na doon ko po nakita yung sarili ko na, ay, nagagawa ko po yung gusto ko. And nagawa ko pong maging makulit sa mga cast ko na kasama dahil kay Troy. Nawala yung pagiging mahayaan ko. And gusto kong baguhin kay Troy siguro yung, niya, sa mga decisions niya. Kasi laging, ang gulo ng utak ni Troy kung tutuusin eh. Sobrang gulo. So, ayun po yung ano ko. Gusto ko maging firm lang siya sa decision niya.
Jaden.
Ako, saludo ako kay Jaden sa pagiging malakas niya. Tsaka kung paano niya i-present yung sarili niya na strong kahit marami na siya napagdaanan. And yung pinaka gusto kong baguhin siguro sa kanya, parang wala eh. Pero kung meron man, siguro mas maging sensitive lang sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Parang kay Candice.
Be more sensitive. Okay, that's it. Meron pa bang gusto humabol at gusto magtanong? Mikey, ano katanong ka pa ba? Hindi na? You're good? Thank you everybody for all your questions. Maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy ba kayo doon? Answering ulit din, no? Ganun lang, no? Masaya lang naman tayo, di ba? Kulitan lang. When can we watch the 4 Bad Boys and Me? Go ahead.
Okay guys, mga kapamilya, mapapanood nyo na po ang The 4 Bad Boys and Me sa ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel sa July 31 na po yun.
Yeah, welcome to the baddest school year this 2025. At syempre makakasama rin po namin River Joseph, Angie Salvacion, Jello Rivera, Dustin Mayores, Crystal Brimner, Brent Manalo, Annalyn Salvador, Jella Alote, and unfortunately she couldn't be here tonight, but AC Bonifacio is also with us. And yeah, welcome to the baddest school year this 2025.
Bakit tinutokso ka dun sa AC? Ginaganon ka, Harvey. Go ahead, River.
Yes, I hope all of you can support the 4 Bad Boys and Me out on July 31 on ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel.
Nice. Ange!
Hello po sa mga ka-maidens out there and sa mga fans po ni Miss Tina Lata, to my sunshines, to every fandom who's like watching and excited to watch. Panoorin nyo na po ito, malapit na po. The nostalgia of high school, the love, the fun, the kilig, and of course, the learnings here is amazing, and we can't wait to see you din po, and we can't wait to share it to you this July 31 on ABS-CBN YouTube channel.
Thank you, Angie. Tignan yung tsura nyo dito, mabata nyo pa, oh. Parang obvious na obvious talagang na last year pa siya nakunan, last year pa siya tinaping. But before we go, we have a surprise for our birthday girl!